Choosing an inspiring AI channel concept for online profit. 4. Introduction. In the vast landscape of artificial intelligence, creating a YouTube channel that not only aligns with the field but also inspires viewers is key to online success. This discussion explores the process of selecting a channel idea within the AI domain that captivates audiences and opens avenues for online revenue. 5. 1. Understanding AI niches. Delve into various niches within the artificial intelligence realm. Explore machine learning, natural language processing, robotics, or AI in daily life. Understanding these niches helps in pinpointing a specific area that aligns with personal interest and has the potential to resonate with a broader audience. 6. 2. Identifying passion and expertise. Choose a channel concept that aligns with personal passion and expertise. Viewers are drawn to authentic content, and having a genuine interest in the subject matter enhances the quality of the content produced. Identify what aspect of AI excites and motivates, as this enthusiasm will resonate with the audience. 7. 3. Addressing audience needs. Consider the needs and questions of the target audience. Crafting content that addresses common queries or provides valuable insights can position the channel as a go-to resource. Understanding the audience's pain points and delivering solutions builds credibility and trust. 8. 4. Trends and innovation. Stay abreast of the latest trends and innovations in the AI field. Creating content around cutting-edge developments keeps the channel relevant and positions it as a source for staying informed. Trending topics attract a broader audience and increase the likelihood of content going viral. 9. 5. Collaboration and community building. Explore opportunities for collaboration within the AI community. Engaging with other content creators, experts, or enthusiasts fosters a sense of community. Collaborative efforts can introduce the channel to new audiences and provide diverse perspectives. 10. 6. Monetization strategies. Before finalizing the channel concept, consider potential monetization strategies. Whether through ad revenue, sponsorships, or merchandise, understanding how the channel will generate income is crucial. This insight shapes the content strategy and business model. 11. Conclusion. Choosing an inspiring AI channel concept involves a blend of personal passion, audience engagement, and strategic planning. By aligning the content with niche interests, addressing audience needs, staying innovative, and fostering community connections, a YouTube channel in the AI domain can not only captivate viewers, but also pave the way for online profitability.